Alright class, ngayon papasok tayo sa isang very important foundation concept sa probability. Bago tayo makapag-compute ng probability, kailangan muna nating maintindihan ang tinatawag na experiment. Ano ba ang experiment sa probability? Definition muna. An experiment is an action that produces results. Hindi ibig sabihin laboratory experiment agad. Sa probability, experiment simply means an activity that produces an uncertain result. Halimbawa, rolling a die, tossing a coin, drawing a card. Kapag nag-roll ka ng die, hindi mo pa alam kung anong number ang lalabas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because the result is uncertain, that action becomes an experiment. So tandaan ninyo ito. Experiment means the action that produces possible results. Now let's make it more concrete. Imagine this situation. You roll a die. Iyong act ng pag-roll ng die, that is the experiment. You perform the action. Then you observe what number appears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Pero tandaan ninyo ito. Sa stage na ito, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan ang probability. Ang pinag-uusapan pa lang natin ay the action. Experiment equals the doing. The act that produces a result. Now, once the experiment is performed, may lalabas na result. At ang result na iyon ay may special name sa probability. That result is called an outcome. So ano ang outcome? An outcome is one possible result from an experiment. Halimbawa, nag-roll ka ng die at lumabas ay 4. That 4 is the outcome. Important distinction ito. Experiment is the action. Outcome is the result. One specific result. Hindi lahat ng possible results. Just one. Halimbawa, ulit. Experiment, rolling a die. Possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero kapag nag-roll ka at lumabas ay 4, iyon lang ang outcome. So think of it like this. Experiment is the question. Outcome is the answer. You performed the action. And one specific result appeared. That is the outcome. Alright. Ngayon, may very important idea na kailangan nating maintindihan. The outcome does not exist alone. Hindi siya nakalutang sa universe. Every outcome belongs somewhere. And saan siya kabilang? Sa tinatawag nating sample space. Halimbawa, if the outcome is 4, tanong natin, possible ba talagang lumabas ang 4 kapag nag-roll ng die? Yes. So that means 4 is part of the list of all possible results. In other words, the outcome belongs to the sample space. So tandaan ninyo itong structure na ito. Experiment produces outcomes. Outcome is one specific result. And every outcome belongs to the sample space of possible results. Kapag nakita ninyo ang structure na ito, mas madali na nating maintindihan ang probability later.